What's up guys, Presley Yong here, back for another video. It's been 3 weeks I haven't uploaded a video, so I think I would rather upload one. Just a quick video, but I maybe longer. Let's hope. So today's video is more on iOS 15. Now iOS 15 is around the corner, the official version. It's on 20th September if you're in the US region. If it's in Asia, it's more on 21st September. Now, today's video is more on things that you should do before installing iOS 15 on your iPhone. So, of course, iOS 15 supports down to iPhone 6s and above, and includes the new models, the iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and Pro Max and Mini. Those new release iPhones will build in iOS 15, so you don't have to update it. The iPhone 12 Pro Max and below down to 6s Plus will need to update to iOS 15 if you want to get those great features. Now, the first thing before you update iOS 15, many people will always say update, backup up your everything inside the iCloud, or obviously backup is not an option. However, if you can't, let's say you use up to 5 gigabytes, you don't subscribe any iCloud services, you can, and there's an option in iTunes say that backup through computer, so it's everything saved through your computer, and when you say through computer, use it and then have a extra pen drive and store it elsewhere, because hard drives always fail easily on laptops, so be careful on that. But the next one is that make sure when you have an iPhone, when you unlock it, you make sure you have a percentage. Not here. Scroll down, you can see on 80%, which means I can update the software. If it's below 50%, if it's below 50%, and on this device, you must charge it while updating the software about it. And the third thing about before you update is that you must make sure you have enough storage before installing. Usually update will take about 5 gigabytes storage, but sometimes 5 gigabytes only estimate. When you actually go to the iPhone storage, you can see it takes more than that, like 6 gigabytes, 7 gigabytes, because the reason is that because he wants to refresh all the codes and then put in a new software. So what you update iOS 14, just completely remove and just add iOS 15 into it. Now please bear in mind that when you update 15, there will be some bugs when update it, so please keep in mind. But Apple will release a short software update like 15.0.1 for just a bug fixes issue. Now in terms of software, should you update it? Yes, you should update it, of course, no problem. It's actually safe because it's official version to update it. And if you're on an iPhone 12 Pro Max and 12 Pro or 12 Mini, this is actually the first year software. I know some devices like iPhone 7 users or iPhone 6 users feel skeptical when update its software because when they think about updating software might cause like battery drain or something because it's over the device. Now, of course, the first thing you have to think of is always go to settings, battery. Actually, I suppose not question, but battery and battery health, and check the maximum capacity. Maybe this is the place where it drains more. It's because keep that in mind. Now, of course, my maximum capacity is 96 on my 12 Pro Max. It's been 8 months on this device. I mean 96%. Yeah, it's pretty normal for 12 Pro Max user. Some user actually reach 91 or 92. It's because they did some heavy gaming on this device, which I understand about it. But please bear in mind, you reach 80% after 2 years. If it's Pro Max, it may be longer, maybe around 3 years before he asks you to service your battery replacement. For this kind of iPhone like 12 Pro Max, it can last for more or than at least 5 or 6 years before you want to upgrade your phone. So, of course, go install it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.